morning, dear children. Thought for the day. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. So, choose people having beautiful hearts rather than faces. Dear children, today we are going to learn patterns and symmetry. First, let us see about patterns. Patterns around us. In everyday life, we see many patterns. For example, look at these tiles, curtain cloth, etc. When objects, events, and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way, a pattern is formed. Patterns in shapes. Creating patterns of regular and irregular shapes by stamping. Example, block patterns created using handprints and footprints are shown below. Dear children, you can also make a pattern using your hands and foots. Patterns. Patterns in geometrical shape. There are two types of patterns. They are growing patterns, repeated patterns. Growing patterns. If some patterns and designs grow with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called growing pattern. Growing patterns example is given below. Another example from your book. This is also a growing pattern. Let us see some examples in growing patterns. Look at the first one, children. This picture looks like a kite, isn't it, children? First, one kite is there, two kites, three kites, next, four kites. It is a growing pattern. Children, next is one up arrow, one down arrow. Two up arrow, two down arrow. Next will be three up arrow. Okay, children. One is two lines. Next three lines. Next one will be automatically four lines. These four lines look like a square. Next is repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. Look at some example here, children. Let's see some more examples for repeated patterns. Green square, orange circle, green square, orange circle, green square, orange circle, green square. Next will be what, children? Orange circle. Okay. Apple, banana, banana, apple, banana, banana, apple, banana. Next what will come, children? Apple. It's wrong. Then what will come? Banana. Yes, it's correct. Next one what will come, children? Banana. No, it's wrong. Apple. Yes, it's correct. Let us see some activities. Continue the growing patterns. First one set of right arrow, two sets of right arrow, three sets of right arrow. So, draw the right arrow. Four sets of right arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, below that you draw 1, okay, like this you have to draw. This is the growing pattern. Okay, children, one set, two sets, three sets. Next one is four sets. 2. This look like a small tree, isn't it? 1. Next, what will come? 1, 3. Next is 5. Next will be 7. Okay. That I am going to draw now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, children. So this is the growing pattern. Next one is 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles. So these are the growing patterns. Okay, children. So what you have to draw? Next one, you have to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, children. Next one box, 2 box, 3 boxes. Inside the one box, another box is drawn. Okay, children. So next what you have to draw? 4 boxes. 3 boxes. Next is 4 boxes. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us see repeated patterns: triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. See, triangle, circle, rectangle is one set. Triangle, circle, rectangle is another set. It is repeating. So draw triangle, circle and a rectangle. Okay, children. Next one, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Okay, circle, rectangle is one set. So it is only repeating. So draw circle and a rectangle. Okay, children. Next one is triangle, square, rectangle. That is one set. Next one is diamond, crescent. Diamond, crescent, diamond, crescent. So it is repeating. So draw diamond and crescent. Okay, children. Next one is right arrow, left arrow. Right arrow, left arrow. Right arrow, left arrow. Okay, that is only repeating. So draw right arrow and left arrow. This is called the repeated patterns. I hope children you all understood this repeated pattern. Next we are going to see about symmetry. Step 1. Take a sheet of paper and fold it. Step 2. Draw any shapes at the folded edge of the sheet. Step 3. Cut the shape. Step 4. Unfold it. Note that one half of the shape is exactly like the other half. The line which divides the figure into two exact halves is called the line of symmetry. In symmetrical shapes, one half is the mirror image of the other. Activity 3. Step 1. Take a piece of paper. Step 2. Spill few drops of ink on the paper. Step 3. Now fold the paper and press it. Step 4. You will get a symmetrical figure. Example. Look at the following symmetrical letters. Observe the symmetrical lines in the letters. How to divide the figure into two equal parts? Look at B, children. A, H. H we have two types of symmetrical. Okay. One is in vertical and one is in horizontal. Draw the lines of symmetry for these figures. Look at this, children. The symmetry lines. Both the sides will be equal in shape. Draw the other half of the figure to make it symmetrical. Look at this, children. Look at this. Look at the symmetric shape. Yes. Look at the next symmetric shape. Next one. Classify whether the following figures are symmetrical patterns or not by putting into or tick in the box. First one, it is a symmetrical shape. Second one, it is also asymmetrical. Third one, it is not a symmetrical shape. Fourth one, it is a symmetrical shape. Fifth one, it is also a symmetrical shape. Dear children, I hope you all understood about patterns and symmetry. Thank you, children.